It looks like Tesla Fremont production is at full throttle right now. These shots are taken today and they show a ton of Model S and Model X too on the Fremont factory grass, friends. I've been in the past 2 days providing lots of information from Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, and also some from Giga Shanghai, but it looks like Fremont factory is very busy. This evening, Tesla Twitter blogger Sawyer Merritt shared these images from the Tesla Fremont factory, stressing how the production is at full throttle right now and showing lots of cars on grass parking lot. One Twitter user says he drove past it this afternoon. He says, I have never seen it this full, not even at the end of the fourth quarter 2021. I think the chip shortage might be over for Tesla. Indeed, in the past couple of weeks, we haven't heard much about the chip shortage. Maybe Tesla has fully taken care of this issue. I don't know how the situation is at the other companies, but what would you say about the chip shortage? Do you also feel that in the media they don't talk about chip shortage very much as they did a couple of months ago? So it's great that Tesla's Fremont factory's production is at full throttle right now, but how big is the turnaround on these cars? Is this daily or every few days or constantly evolving? What do you think? These are questions I would like to know. If any one of you knows, guys, please let me know in the comment section below. So I have another question I would like to ask about this full parking lot at Tesla's Fremont factory. Why do you think these Tesla Model S and Model X vehicles are parked here and not going out in the logistics lots? Maybe it's so many cars, Tesla can't get them on trucks quick enough and have to resort to parking on the grass. It's kind of like the mall week before Christmas celebration in a normal year. And just for the record, half of Tesla's global deliveries in 2021 came from China as the EV maker moved its export hub to Shanghai from Fremont. So if the export hub has been moved to Shanghai from Fremont, imagine what's the situation at Shanghai factory. If I hear something new, I will bring it to you. So please subscribe to our channel, friends. Tesla's Gigafactory in Shanghai looks poised to play a more prominent role after the electric vehicle maker moved its export hub for Fremont, California to Shanghai in China. But I think once Gigafactory Austin and Gigafactory Berlin, larger Gigafactories, come into full production, so the situation may change again. So what do you think, friends, about this full parking lot at at Fremont factory, not the Gigafactory? This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla announcements. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day. Peace be with all of you. God bless you all and your families. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. The activity at Tesla Giga Texas parking lot shows that the production is very imminent. Tesla employee parking lot at Gigafactory Austin is completely packed. If they are not already building cars and hiding them inside, they are very close to starting the production. In fact, according to Dan Ives, well-known analyst and managing director of Wedbush, Tesla's new Gigafactory in Austin, Texas should be set to open in the next 7 to 10 days. He sent out the related tweet on January 8, 2022. So at this point, Tesla could be even closer to that goal already. What's arguably more interesting here, at least for investors, is that the sooner Tesla starts Model Y production, the quicker it can ramp up and make a real impact for 2022, says Loveday and Inside EV's article. Keep in mind that Tesla Cybertruck will follow a successful Model Y production ramp, so timing is of the essence if we are really going to see the first production of Cybertrucks arrive before the end of the year. Clearly, Ives and his team have been keeping a close eye on Tesla's Giga Texas in order to share details and potential production dates with investors. The fact that paperwork is clearing and the stamping machines appear to have already been tested signals the production is imminent. In fact, we just saw that yesterday another Giga casting machine from Hydra came to Gigafactory Texas. Not long ago, I think I had a report report with you stating that Tesla production in Texas could start any day. We have also heard that Tesla is planning a big party in Austin, much like the one in Berlin. In addition, some folks have claimed that CEO Elon Musk has a big announcement to share soon. In a related tweet, Sawyer Merritt announced the Tesla Owners Club Austin, another group keeping a very close watch on the happening at Gigafactory Austin, is planning the largest Tesla owner meetup in history. The event, coined TeslaCon Texas, will happen in early 2022, so no surprise, and coincide with Texas Gigafactory's official opening party probably. Reports from last week pointed out that some areas of Giga Austin are already approved and certified to begin official work, and they've been inspected by the country fire marshal as well. Tesla has been finalizing all paperwork to make sure the opening of the Gigafactory to produce electric vehicles Model Y process moves forward without pause. While Tesla hasn't made any official announcements, there are plenty of folks reporting about the factory who seem to have an abundance of inside information. Moreover, several Tesla fans in the area have been flying drones around the property and keeping tabs on the situation as it unfolds. That said, according to Tesla-ready drone operator Jeff Roberts, recently got some footage of equipment heading into an area at Giga Texas that's assumed to be related to Cybertruck production. So friends, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this development, about the employee parking lot? Like I said, Tesla employee parking at Gigafactory Texas is completely packed. If they are not already building cars and hiding them inside, they are very close to starting production. Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla breaking announcement that I'm bringing you every day. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a wonderful day. Give us thumbs up. Please like this video. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. You are watching the new Tesla Model Y vehicles built at Giga Berlin factory. These are the cars that Tesla is building at Giga Berlin. I've reported that Tesla has been given permission to build 2,000 vehicles at Giga Berlin for testing purposes, to test its systems. But Tesla cannot sell these cars. Why it cannot sell, I will report in a different report later today after this report, friends. But in the meantime, I wanted to show these images from Jürgen, who tweets GF for Tesla and chronicles Giga Berlin every day since the beginning of the announcement of Giga Berlin factory by Tesla. I see mainly black colors here. I see about 4 white colors. I see a blue color, and I see next to the blue, you see there is a little bit either like grayish color or something like that. I'm wondering if some of them are the new famous Giga Berlin new paint colors that Elon Musk has announced. I think these are great. They look professional, they look nice, and I'm glad Tesla is testing them in order to make sure it sells great vehicles to its customers. In Brandenburg, Tesla wants to build new electric car every 45 seconds, 500,000 vehicles. I think it will amount to every 45 seconds, but the start is delayed. The final approval is still missing. I will tell you in a moment why, and the new systems are highly complex. Elon Musk could easily be missing 50,000 Model Ys as things delay even more. Now, in the meantime, I said it's delaying due to a lawsuit by Environmental Association. A supply contract between Tesla and the Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association for the car maker's factory in Grünheide in Brandenburg could not be concluded. The reasons for the lawsuit at the Frankfurt Administrative Court is the increase in the delivery rate at the Eggersdorf Waterworks, which is part of the supply network. The Brandenburg State Office for the Environment had approved this increase. The authority made a procedural error, publication says, in the water-related environment impact assessment. In November 2019, the Strasbourg-Erkner Water Association asked the State Environment Agency for permission to pump around an additional 1 million cubic meters of groundwater per year from the ground to supply the Tesla Gigafactory Giga Berlin at the Eggersdorf Waterworks. The environmental associations are now accusing the authority of not having adequately examined the effects of the additional massive water obstruction on nature and the supply of the population due to the procedural error. The problem is that the court decision now will affect the start of production at Tesla Giga Berlin. Now, what the officials say about this, I will tell you in a third third report later today, friends. So please subscribe to our channel for these news coming. So the procedural this problem will affect the production at Tesla Giga Berlin. Andre Bachler, head of Strasbourg Erkner Water Association, emphasized the ZDF publication that the permission of the state office for an increase in the amount of water was an essential prerequisite for the conclusion of the contract with Tesla. Without this amount of permission, the contract would not have come into being. The Frankfurt Oder Administrative Court will now have to decide in the coming weeks how much water may be taken from the Eggersdorf waterworks and whether Tesla Giga Berlin will get enough water for its car production. Well, friends, there is a lot of drama here. I would like to hear what Elon Musk has to say about this situation, but looks like Tesla is very busy. Tesla is doing its part. Tesla is testing its systems. Tesla is doing the right thing in testing its systems to make sure it will sell high quality electric vehicle Model Ys to its customers. So I'm hoping that things are still going forward, although with difficulties, and not what in this world doesn't go forward with difficulties or goes forward with ease, right? So let's wait and see. Look forward for my 2 other reports coming later today, friends. In the meantime, I think these vehicles look great, and I'm glad Tesla is test building them. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla announcements, updates, and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. And please give us thumbs up, like this video if you find it informative and helpful. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and let's move to our next Tesla story.